Hey, what is up, Amazon family? Today I wanted to do a unboxing of the Soundboks 3. This particular Soundboks is the 3rd generation, and this is probably the 3rd one I've bought so far. I keep on buying them and you connect them together. But before we even start talking about what these things could do, let's go ahead and go right to the unboxing, because I know you want to see what's included inside. So let me go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and get a handy knife out here. There's no barcodes being displayed, so this should be okay. Now the Soundboks itself is going to weigh about, I would say, about close to 25-30 pounds is what you can see here. So let me go ahead and change the cam. So here's what you get. Brand spanking new. You're going to end up getting pretty much some literature with it. It's going to have, information guide on how to use it. You're going to get a sticker, an Allen key, and another kind of description on how to use this sort of thing. So other than that, let's go ahead and remove it from the package. Oh, and in this one, what I wanted to do about this particular Soundboks was I wanted to get a different colored one. So let me go ahead and show you guys. When I pull it out, here you go, fresh out the box. This is going to be their orange selection of it. But if you did want to get a normal one or a black or a white colored one, you can paint the grill, because I've painted the grill on one of them that I have already. And let me go ahead and show you a little bit more about it. So over here, you're gonna end up getting a battery. That one's the battery that's there. And this is gonna be the charger. Sometimes you could get a deal when you get 2 batteries as well. But for this particular one, I ended up just getting 1 battery for it, because I already have extras. So these batteries are really awesome. Pretty much you could have it on full volume for 8 straight hours, and 2 of them it'll cover an entire day. And we take these things out because they're waterproof, and I'm telling you, I've put mine through all sorts of weather. It's rain, I take it out boating, we connect our boats together with it, and it's just so loud. It sounds like this incredible sound system that you're gonna end up getting. Here's the battery. So the batteries are really neat, and here's gonna be some questions that I'm gonna answer about this as well that you might like. These are the key tricks about the Soundboks. So the Soundboks, when you use the battery itself, you can use it plugged into the wall, okay? So let's say you run out of battery, you forget to charge the battery. Well, it can run within tandem inside the Soundboks itself. So you just drop in this power supply that's here. Let me go ahead and switch the camera. You could run this power supply that's right here, and you just plug it right in between it and right into your Soundboks, and boom, voila, you're set. 2 of the power cables, one's for European version, but nobody uses that. We're in America. So, but this one's just gonna be the normal one. And then that's it. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. Let me go ahead and open it up, take out of its package, so you guys can see it a little bit more, and I'll talk about the inputs in a second. Making sure everything you can see. Okay, so just to let you know, the inputs in the back, there are microphone inputs, so you could hook up like a freestanding microphone as well in case you're doing some sort of karaoke on it. We've used it for karaoke. Auxiliary inputs, auxiliary out, so you can chain them. Let's say you're hooking it up to like a sound-based system, because you might want a little bit more bass. These are concert series speakers. You can hook them directly up to a bigger bass box as well. So that's why these are here, and chain them up. But what's nice about these Soundboks is, just to let you know, is that with a simple click of a button, you can actually pair them up to, I believe, 11 units as well. So you'll see the pair button that's in there. Let me go ahead and drop in the battery in here so you guys can kind of see how this all works. Okay, so let me go ahead and change the view on this. Okay, so Here is the actual battery itself. And then what you do is you slide it directly in here, and then you just plug it right in, as you can see, directly right there. And then now the Soundboks is now equipped with the battery. That's about it. Other than that, I'll make another video on just pairing these units together. But if you want a speaker that's going to be, you know, tried and tested, and you can take it just about anywhere, and you want to be the loudest one, definitely pick up the Soundboks. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thanks a lot, guys.